In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an OpenArt AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the deletion safely. Before we begin, remember that deleting an account is permanent. If you want to keep any images, prompts, models, or project files, download them now. If you have an active subscription, make sure it's handled appropriately to avoid future charges. Start by opening your browser and heading to the OpenArt AI website. If you're not already signed in, log in with the account you want to remove. It's important to be on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace. On the home page, look to the top right corner for your profile icon or initials. Click that to open the profile menu. From the menu, choose View Profile. This takes you to your profile page, which is where you can access your workspace and its settings. On your profile page, locate your workspace. It may appear as a card, a drop-down, or a link labeled with your workspace name. Click into your workspace to open its dashboard. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're selecting the one associated with the account and data you intend to delete. Inside the workspace, find the option labeled Manage Workspace. It's typically near the top of the page or in a sidebar, sometimes represented by a gear icon. Click Manage Workspace to open the workspace and account settings. In the Settings area, look for the option that says Delete My Account and Data. This is the critical action. Before you proceed, understand what it does. It permanently removes your account and associated data from OpenArt AI. That may include projects, image prompts, training data, and workspace information. Once deleted, access is revoked and recovery isn't possible. When you click Delete My Account and Data, a confirmation screen will appear. To prevent accidental removals, you'll be asked to type the word delete exactly as shown. Carefully enter the word, then confirm. If the button remains disabled, double-check spelling in case. After confirmation, the system will begin processing the deletion. You may be signed out immediately and you might receive a confirmation email. Some removals can take a short time to complete on the back end. If you see an error or no longer have access, visit the Help Center from a new session and contact support for assistance. That's it. You've learned how to find your profile, navigate to your workspace, open settings, and confirm deletion safely. Thanks for watching and take care.